Yep. Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're throwing a blow-off valve on my buddy's 2012 Genesis Coupe. Before we get into the video though, I would just like to quickly apologize for the changing of aspect ratios in the clips. I'm still getting used to filming IRL stuff, so again I apologize. So, today's video we are going to be installing a blow-off valve on my buddy's Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2-liter with the smallest turbocharger on the planet. Yeah, I'll be putting the blow-off valve. So we got it right here. It was like, what was it, $100 bucks?
140 bucks.
140 bucks on Amazon. It says it's an HKS. I call BS. Does not feel like an HKS, but I might be completely wrong. But yeah, we're gonna get this install going. First thing you want to do is remove this piece right here, because this is exactly where the blow-off valve is going to go. We got the part right here. It's going to go something like this and allow for cooler air to go into the throttle body, plus a little bit of a... But anyway, first thing you're gonna want to do is undo the clamp that's right there. I used pliers like this. Just go in there like that, go like that, push it down, and it should come off. And then pull this piece up, and it should be apart. Now this one had a little bit of oil around it. I did a quick wheel search and it was normal, so we're good. This top one's kind of weird because there's no place for a socket, no place for a screwdriver. I was told that you just use pliers and turn it like that, and then it spins. So I will continue the video when I have this off. We already had it to the point of coming off, so it's loose right now. Should just be a little bit of wiggling and she's off. That's the stock top intercooler piping. It's hot as balls out here. 26, I think, Celsius. By the looks of it, this is how she goes. So put the clamp onto the rubber hose there. Put on the bottom piece. Slide it all the way on. Just like that. It should like have a little bit of a lip. Should be a point where it just kind of stops.
Yeah, the seal's in there already. Unless we have to tighten it, put it in. But no, I don't know how that works.
Oh, I see. Is that a groove in here that this kind of sits in?
Oh yeah, and then you put that in there, and then
put this in.
The snap ring sits in the groove so that it can't fall out. I see.
Yep.
So yeah, you basically shove the valve in there, put the snap ring around the neck of it, and then it should get into the... Oh, I see. Wait, push a little bit. So since it has to go like that, right? It has to come from underneath. So then, and then something has to hold this open, right? And then we need some like a tool to get into both of these holes and then snap it shut, to make it smaller. So then it fit, because it doesn't fit in here like this. You have to clamp it.
Okay.
You have to make it bigger to get it around here, and then you have to clamp it again. Okay, so we got the valve on there now, and
just put it back together.
it took us a little too long. but we didn't have the right tools. So just go grab yourself what is it called again?
Oh, that's what I'm on. I'm like, why the shit is it not going?
Snap ring plier. Go get a snap ring plier that closes it, not open. Yeah, we're just hooking it back up, and we'll catch you guys when it's all ready.
So we got it figured out. Once you finish your 15-minute session with the blow-off valve here, you can finally move on to very poorly putting these clamps on, and yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. I've taken this apart like 3 times already. I would definitely say, I guess if you're this far into the video, hopefully you've watched it before installing it, or not watched it while installing it. That's what we're kind of running into. That's why we're making this video. I would definitely recommend putting the blow-off valve onto the pipe beforehand, before taking anything apart, and then take it apart, and then put it together, because getting this blow-off valve onto the pipe while this pipe is installed will not work unless you have the proper tool, which we did not. So a little skip in the video. Last clip was us having this on, a bit of a skip going on. What we did not realize, I will put in the beginning here, the kit that we got is just an eBay kit. It says an HKS, but I don't know. So these cars do come with a blow-off valve, kind of. It is that triangle piece right here. For most of these blow-off valve kits, they come with a block-off plate. You undo these bolts here. There's 3 of them. Take this off, and then the block-off plate just kind of sandwiches it up. Put these bolts back in, and then this is no longer in use. There's this line that goes from the bottom here, routes up. It's this one right here, and then it goes right into this piece right here. What we did, we took the hose that goes from the back of the blow-off valve, routed it around. The line is a bit long, but we'll cut that when we have the block-off plate. Cut this line in half. The kit came with a T. Put the T in there, put this hose on the top, clamp these all down, and you should be good to go. When you do cut this though, it'll have a little bit of a hissing noise. That's completely normal. We started up the car and it was completely fine. But just know that you're gonna need a block-off plate if this is the kind of kit that you got, or if your kit didn't come with one, because then your blow-off valve won't exactly work perfectly. I'll probably put a bit of a clip at the end here of us installing the block-off plate. So we do have a engine intake that might differ the sound. See it moving in there. Not a lot of intake noise. So just a bit of a rundown on what we did. Completely forgot to videotape this part, but anyway, what you want to do, you want to remove this piece right here from the side of the hot side for the downpipe. So where that silver plate is right there, that's where this goes. This is the stock blow-off valve. This line goes up to here where we have this connected. Before, in the other clip, we had this as a temporary. Right now before you would only hear the intake noise through here. Now it's mostly through the blow-off valve, and now it works really nicely. Yeah, all it is just 3 bolts, 3 10mm bolts that go into there. Loosen those off, take this piece out, undo the clip here, put the block-off plate in. There's no line that goes anywhere, it's just a plate. And yeah, enjoy the results. Yep. That's it.